Hey there, welcome back. So guys, in this video we are gonna talk about two smartwatches from Honor that are scheduled to launch in India on 8th of October. Firstly, there is the Honor Watch ES, which is basically a premium fitness tracker and is Amazon exclusive, while the other one is Honor Watch GS Pro, which is a rugged smartwatch and is Flipkart exclusive. Both have different design, features and are offered at different price point. We will go through each of them, so stay tuned and let's get started. But before we begin, please like and subscribe, and if you want, you can share the video as well. And let me know in the comments which smartwatch are you interested in. Obviously after watching the whole video. First, let's begin with Honor Watch ES. It features a rectangular body with 1.64-inch AMOLED display with always-on functionality. And yes, I know it looks very similar to Huawei Watch Fit, but it's no surprise given that Huawei is the parent company of Honor. Battery wise, the Watch ES provides 10 days worth of battery life and it also charges quickly. It takes only 30 minutes to charge it to 70%. Here's where the Honor Watch ES excels. It supports 95 workout modes, automatic workout detection limited to 6 workouts, and stores all of your workouts to analyze later. You even get built-in virtual coach with step-by-step animated workout instructions. There are 12 fitness courses ranging in difficulty and length. It comes with Huawei's True Sleep 4.0 heart rate, blood oxygen monitoring and sleep and stress monitoring as well. And finally, like all smartwatches by Huawei and Honor, the Watch ES can receive notifications from your phone, but that's the extent of it. You can't answer or react with an emoji. There is no messaging app support here. You can control your music on Android phone and quite curiously controlling the cell phone camera remotely. And most importantly, it doesn't have GPS built in, so it will use your smartphone to pinpoint your location. The Watch ES retails for 99.90 euros in Europe, that's equivalent to $116 or 8,580 rupees. So let's see how it turns out when it launches. Now let's quickly jump on to Watch GS Pro. Now this is what you call a complete smartwatch. It is powered by a high silicon Kirin A1 SoC. It has 4 gigs of onboard storage which will allow you to store music for offline playback, and it has GPS support as well as dual satellite positioning system. It is also tough as it has military standard 810G certification and 5 ATM water resistant. About its display, the Honor Watch GS Pro features a circular 1.39-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels. Outdoor activities include options for snowboarding, skiing and outdoor cross-country. So unlike previous watch that we mentioned, this watch wants you to do outdoor activities in addition to workout. For these activities, the watch will show options like altitude levels, SpO2 monitor, time duration among others. The watch is also compatible with underwater sports. The Watch GS Pro is both water and salt resistant. The watch also comes with over 100 workout modes including 15 professional and 85 customized ones. And it can apparently offer up to 25 days worth of battery life. The smartwatch can be used for attending calls using an inbuilt speaker and microphone or to send and receive messages. And about its price, the Honor Watch GS Pro is priced in Europe for 250 euros, that's roughly rupees 21,600. Exact pricing will be unveiled at the time of launch. So that's it for this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.